everyone, today we're going to make toilet bombs and I'll show you how I make simple and easy toilet bombs with just a couple of ingredients that you'll find around your house. Grab a bowl and you need bicarb, citric acid, what we do is we spray a little bit of water in there and then start to massage it together. We're wanting to get the consistency of wet sand. So a bit more spray in there. I also like to add some essential oils for a little bit of fresh fragrance. Eucalyptus is a great one, lavender. Today I'm going to use clove oil, so I'm going to just pop some clove oil in there to deodorize your toilet as you're cleaning. So that's almost done now. Just put a little bit more water in there. You don't want to put too much or it'll start to fizz. The next thing we're going to do is pop them into the mold, but you can see here that's the sort of consistency you're after. Grab your silicone mold, this is my favourite. Let's push it down, pack it down nice and firm. And there we go. Toilet bombs, all natural, easy to make, helps you ditch the plastic containers that your toilet cleaners from the supermarket come in, and it does a fantastic job too.